Hello and welcome to Social Crypto. If you are an XRP enthusiast and investor, this video is so important for you to watch, so make sure you stay with us until the end of the video to know more and in detail of what we're about to break. On August 11th, the San Francisco blockchain business XRP broke the $40 billion market value milestone for the first time since June 15th, 2021, when its price hit a high of 90 cents. After Worldwide Money Express GME Remittance announced that it had joined RippleNet, the global financial network of blockchain startup Ripple XRP, the world's sixth largest cryptocurrency, saw enormous retail demand on Wednesday. XRP is currently trading at $1.3. It has gained 10.32% in the past 24 hours and 27.1% in the last week. According to CoinMarketCap.com statistics, XRP has become one of the top 10 performing digital currencies in the previous 24 hours. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency now accounts for nearly 2% of the overall market capitalization of digital currencies and has seen a 300% gain in value since the beginning of 2021. XRP's daily trade volume more than doubled in Q2 to $4 billion despite an ongoing SEC litigation, according to its market report. In Asia, RippleNet continues to grow. The price of XRP has risen significantly as a result of Ripple's new cooperation. RippleNet's adoption in Asia will be boosted as a result of the latest collaboration with GME, according to Blockchain Business. GME Remittance is one of South Korea's largest non-bank remittance and service providers. Thanks to its engagement with RippleNet, GME Remittance is now linked to Siam Commercial Bank (SCB), Thailand's largest bank by market capitalization. We chose Ripple as our partner because RippleNet allows us to launch into new countries with new partners in as little as 1 to 2 weeks, said Subhash Chandra Podal, Director and COO of Global Money Express Corporation Limited, in a recent statement. This has greatly shortened our time to market and offers us a competitive advantage. Ripple has formed various agreements in 2021 in order to enhance the adoption of RippleNet and XRP. Ripple announced a partnership with SBI Remit of Japan and Coins.ph of the Philippines for the July launch of RippleNet's first live on-demand liquidity in Japan. The daily trading volume of XRP has increased as a result of the continuing legal battle between the token's parent firm Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States. The daily trading volume of XRP increased to $4.49 billion in Q2 2021, up from $2.26 billion in the first 3 months of the year, according to the XRP market report. During the quarter, XRP saw a lot of trading volume, which reflected the general market mood. The whole cryptocurrency market was on a bull run during this time, led by Bitcoin, which reached an all-time high price of $64,800 in mid-April. Despite the increase on daily trading volume for XRP, Ripple concedes that the market has remained volatile. There was no shortage of incidents alleged to contribute to market volatility in Q2, notably ransomware attacks, environmental worries, Elon Musk's tweets, and regulatory scrutiny, among others. According to Ripple, significant increases in crypto market capitalization occurred in the second quarter of 2021, followed by a steady decline. Ripple struggled at first to put its world-class blockchain and money to practical use. Ripple's cryptocurrency is called XRP. Anyone can look up who owns what on the blockchain, but no coins can be mined. As a result, it became a target for speculators who began to bid up its value. Ripple has been attempting to persuade institutions to embrace XRP as a means of transferring cash internationally since 2015. Ripple hired Brad Garlinghouse, the former Yahoo COO, in 2016 to assist them create a killer use case for XRP, and he succeeded. Garlinghouse began promoting XRP to financial institutions and banks as a bridge currency for international money transactions. When utilized for international transfers, banks would no longer need to retain minor currency reserves, which would cause the bank's funds to be blocked. Furthermore, banks would only need to retain that currency for a short period of time, improving XRP's liquidity and pricing. Ripple partnered with MoneyGram and Santander, and it quickly became one of the major financial institutions. In January 2018, the price of XRP jumped from less than 1 cent to over $3. But this is where the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States, comes in. Ripple allegedly sold $1.3 billion in illegal securities to the general population, according to the government agency. Larsen and Garlinghouse, the Ripple team's leading names, are also named as defendants. We allege that Ripple, Larsen and Garlinghouse failed to register their ongoing offer and sale of billions of XRP to retail investors, depriving potential purchasers of adequate disclosures about XRP and Ripple's business, as well as other important long-standing protections that are fundamental to our robust public market, said Stephanie Avakine, director of the SEC's Enforcement Division. The litigation between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission caused the price of XRP to plummet from 58 cents to 21 cents in December 2020. It did, however, recover in 2021. You might be wondering, what exactly is a financial security? A security is a marketable financial instrument that represents some type of ownership in a corporation or similar entity but has no utility. Shares of public traded firms, for example, are frequently represented as securities in order to raise financing. Equity, debt, and hybrid securities are the three categories of securities. Securities, like public sales, are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). Companies, partnerships, and trusts that issue equity securities provide the owner a stake in the entity's assets. A debt security is a type of financial instrument that represents borrowed funds. The loan amount, yearly percentage rate, maturity time, when it must be repaid, and other parameters are specified in terms. What does the SEC consider to be a security? The SEC's definition of a security is a bit hazy, considering that the agency explicitly said in 2019 that Bitcoin is not a security, claiming that existing Bitcoin purchasers are relying on the essential managerial and entrepreneurial activities of others to make a profit. They don't. The Howey test is used by the SEC to determine whether a token is legally a security. Ripple rose to prominence after gaining access to the US banking system in 2014 through collaborations and major institutions. The SEC then filed a complaint against Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen on December 21, 2020. Ripple Labs is allegedly selling unregistered securities in a centralized setting rather than commodities. The SEC has charged two Ripple Labs executives with selling over 14.6 billion XRP coins to fund the startup and enrich themselves. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple Labs, has stated that the company will defend itself in court. Advancing to the present time, the largest cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase, announced the delisting of the XRP coin on December 28, 2020. The full suspension was scheduled to take place on January 19, 2021 at 10 a.m. PST. After that, let's fast forward to March 3, 2021. Garlinghouse and Larsen, both of Ripple Labs, wrote letters to Judge Sarah Netburn of the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York, pleading for the litigation Ripple versus SEC to be dismissed. They claim that they were not given fair notice and due procedure. Now, on March 8, 2021, the SEC reacts by writing to the judge requesting an immediate hearing to strike the fair notice defense. On March 22, 2021, Judge Netburn told the SEC that she believes XRP has not simply a financial value but also has a utility, and that usefulness differentiates it from Bitcoin and Ether. Commissioner Hester M. Pierce of the Securities and Exchange Commission announced the Token Safe Harbor Proposal 2.0 on April 13, 2021. The revised proposal calls for a 3-year grace period for developers to figure out how to make it easier for people to participate in a decentralized network, during which time they would be immune from securities laws. The court allowed the SEC's application to delay the disclosure of the SEC's internal communications about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP until August 31, 2021 on June 14, 2021. Internal information on other cryptocurrencies could give some light on the SEC's overall stance on crypto. The court has yet to decide whether they want the SEC to provide its internal crypto trading procedures. The deadline for revealing the SEC's internal papers is August 31, 2021. By this day, the fact must be discovered. Expert discovery date for collecting what experts in the field of crypto and securities have to say about the topic is October 15, 2021. What does this signify for the cryptocurrency community? The Ripple versus SEC litigation is being closely watched by the entire cryptocurrency sector, as its outcome will set a precedent. The lawsuit's findings will also aid in the clarification of the regulatory landscape for future ICOs. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.